here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have another actually double unboxing for you. They just kind of happened to come within a couple of days, and I decided to just throw them into one video instead of doing two, just kind of for a time saver. So we are going to be comparing today the Look Fantastic box and the Glossybox. So I think we're going to start with the Glossybox since it did come first. And this packaging, or this box, is so cute. I love it. The Glossybox is $21 a month, and it is supposed to have 5 items in each box, and it is a monthly subscription, and it is supposed to be valued at over $115 for every box. So the first item that we have in the box is this Avant Rose Lip Scrub. And it is just a tiny tube, just like a normal sized lip balm. And this thing retails for $71. I can't imagine paying $71 for a lip scrub. So we will see. All right, and the next item we have here is going to be this moisturizer. Moisturizing cream. It says Prickly Pear plus Probiotics from SYS. And I think it's superfood for your skin. All right, I forgot to tell you the price for this moisturizer, and it retails at $19.99 for this size bottle. If you were to get a full size, it would be $40 or $39.99. So the next item that we have is going to be this shampoo and conditioner set. I'm not sure how to say this. Patua. We're just gonna butcher it probably there. Or Patal strengthening shampoo and conditioner. Rich repairing shampoo and conditioner formulated with Patal oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. So there's that. And that says that those retail at $8 for the mini set. And then the next item we have is a shimmer powder, Belle Pierre shimmer powder. And this color is Coral Reef. And I will show you the color in just a second inside, but it says illuminate your best features with this long-lasting, vibrant powder without smears, creases, or fading. Perfect as eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, and more. Whether you use it as an eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, or blush, remember to always use a primer first. And this retails for $15. And let me try to open this up and see if you can see the color at all. I don't think you're gonna be able to see the color on there, but let's see. I don't really need another highlighter, but you know, it says cheek and lip, which I'm kind of, or eyeshadow. I've never used a powder on my lips, so we'll see. The last item is a face mask. I just about lost it. An eye mask, I'm sorry. Eye patch. Collagen eye patch. Gently firm and smooth your under eyes with this hydro gel eye patch containing collagen extract for a brighter and more youthful appearance. After cleansing, apply 1 patch under each eye for 10 to 15 minutes, and this retails for $4. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to the Look Fantastic box. This Look Fantastic box is $16 a month, which I think is a great price for a box. And you receive 6 items every month. Okay, guys, so I was trying to look through this magazine and look for the prices, like the retail prices of these products, and I can't find them anywhere. So if I find them, I will write them on the video somewhere so that we can compare. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and go through these products. And the first item is this Galactic Lid Gloss. So, and there you could have received 2 different colors of this. And I got the Zodiac. So it is 4 mLs, a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. All right, so the next item that we have is this Illamasqua Beyond Veil. And here is the packaging. It's just kind of a little tiny jar. So you can see that in there. Let's see, it says combining 2 of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydro Veil Primer and Beyond Powder. This face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day, also providing a luminous, natural looking glow. Has vitamin C and fruit extracts in that. Product number 3 is this Balance Me chemical exfoliant. It says a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourage the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. So that is a chemical exfoliant. Number 4 is, and I'm actually really excited about these. I got some cotton reusable pads for like makeup removal in my Glossybox. And if you want to see that video, I will put a link up here at the top of the video. These are some microfiber reusable makeup wipes. So, and I love all of my reusable facial cleanser pads, and these are so soft and super cute little pads. I will definitely use those. I've actually was wanting to get more of my little cotton ones that I got because I use them all the time. So I will definitely get a lot of use out of that. It says 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin as no cleaner is needed. Simply throw into the washing machine after to reuse thousands of times. That means no more disposable makeup remover wipes going into landfills. So number 5. Let's see, it says Bubble, a thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe, and refresh dry skin, cruelty-free and paraben-free. Smells like strawberry shortcake. Anyways, so the last item, number 6, you had a choice. You didn't get a choice, but you received one or the other. I received the second item. It is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect, and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result, smooth, moisturized, and bright skin. I think I have this peel already from another box, but I love Elemis. I don't know that I've had any products of theirs that I have not used and liked, so. And I know that if I did have this, it's gone. So it'll be nice to have another. That is it for the Look Fantastic box. And I'm going to give you kind of a side-by-side of each box so you can see each. Okay guys, so that was it for this unboxing. Please let me know down below if you receive either one of these boxes or both and what you think and how you think they compare. And let me know if you think the boxes are worth the money or not worth the money. I want to remind you to make sure that you hit that notification bell and watch for that upcoming video for the 100 subscriber giveaway. I only have 3 left to reach that goal. So just keep an eye out for it and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Smells like shop. Smells like